Okay, coffee's wearing off from this morning already, so it's time to make another cup of coffee. So what I'm going to use is instant coffee. So this is a freeze-dried brand dark roast Waka coffee. It's a dark roast, Ethiopian Arabica. This makes up to 80 cups. So on this particular one, I am going to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of the Arabica coffee. I'm going to put that to the side. And then I have some mushroom powder that they recommend adding a teaspoon, but I'm going to just use 1/4 teaspoon of this. And just put it on my cup here. So put that to the side as well. And this measuring cup will also go to the side. I'm going to fill it up a little bit of the ways up with some water. And then I'm using stevia. This is Pure Leaf Stevia, one of my favorite brands, especially if I want to cut out some calories from the other things. And then I'll add a little bit of heavy cream. Just add a little bit to that. Then I'm going to just give this a good stir for a while until it's nice and whipped. Okay, and I can add a little bit of more water to this, probably up to about here. We'll give it another whip here real quick. I'm just using hand tools right now. So we'll just stir this up a little bit more. And then leave this to the side for a minute. I had some leftover coffee the other day, so I just iced it into ice cubes. That way my drink doesn't get too diluted and it gives it some extra kick. So there we go with some extra ice cubes. Another very important part of any of my beverages is the base of your beverage. So I've been using the zero water filter since January, and I'll do a separate video on how awesome this is, but it's a great base for your drink. So just a little bit more of that. And we're gonna get a straw in here. Try to use the metal straws as much as I can, so I don't have a lot of plastic waste. I think I could use a couple more ice cubes. And then we're gonna put some homemade whipped cream. This has got a little essence of butter pecan added to it. So we'll just add a nice dollop of cream to our coffee. And there you have it, my afternoon coffee break. Thanks, this is JennyO from JennyO Sips the Pacific Northwest. See you next time.